Welcome to the online course. My name is Sana and I'm super excited to share my creative journey with you all. In this online course, I will share one of my favorite medium, which is gouache paints. Gouache paints are highly pigmented and they are used to give a full coverage in an opaque style. But I will be giving a little twist to this medium and making gouache paint as watercolor style. The reason of choosing gouache paint because with the help of gouache, I can give the opaque effect as well as wherever I need the transparency in my painting, I can do that. So let's see what exactly you will be getting in your artsy craftsy kit. You will have your paint palette, paint brushes, gouache paint. You will also have your mini reference cards. You will also have the binded book in which you will have all the necessary details regarding the lesson. You will be also getting the template to trace. All the templates are available for you to use for the classes. And then there will be 10 watercolor sheets. Yes, we will be having 8 lessons, but I have added 2 extra sheets along with the small watercolor cards in which you can practice for your shades. So let's start with our lesson, but before I'll start with my lesson, you need to follow two videos in which first video I will share how to use these templates and trace your animals on your watercolor paper, and then in the next video I will share some techniques what we will be using in this course. And then we will start with our main lessons.